All right, now we're getting to the funner parts of actually presenting this platform, because I'm going to today show the website panel. What do I mean by the website panel? I described it before, but I'm going to describe it once again. To make the TheKaynak work, we had to build 4 different websites or panels, as we call them. The first one is a business panel for ourselves, so that we can track data and see how many users have joined and whatnot. So, and also give verification to suppliers that's joined the platform and whatnot. So we first had to build that panel, and then we built the buyers panel. So these are everyone, all the businessmen overseas that's just looking to buy from Turkey. We built a panel for them so they can get in contact and speak with suppliers. And then we built the suppliers panel for Turkish manufacturers to jump on board and list their products and really create an order and all these other functions, which I'm going to show as well. But today we're focusing on the website panel. So this is where everyone generally just jumps onto first, and then have a look at the website, and it's the main front end face of the platform. So I'm going to present that now. Let me just share my screen over here. Bang. Okay. So let's jump onto it. This is the TheKaynak, and before we explore more of the website, we went through a design process, and I opened that tab over here, and everything was pretty much designed page by page on how we wanted it to look, and what sort of functions we wanted on there. We've got heaps of pages. We canceled out some of the looks that we're going for, and we made them all work cohesively and make them all make sense. So this is where all the design was done through a platform called Figma, and we were able to lay out the actual platform. Now, when we go on to making this a reality, we've built it in a few different ways. Obviously, we need to understand the consumer and what they expect in the best way possible. So we think we've done that with the UI and UX. Let's start with finding a product or searching for a product. There's actually 3 ways that you can do this. Number 1, you can find the product through the all categories tab, in which we've broken it down into 3. Each category will have 3 subsections. So let's say over here, you got the automotive tools and equipment and entire service equipment. So we've broken these down into 3, and we've tried to determine the most popular subcategories and categories so that we can make this section over here. So that's one way you can find the product. The second way you can find the product is by simply just searching it into this tool over here. Whatever you want, you can search it here and find it that way. And the last way of finding a product is by the request quote now system, or the RFQ system as we call it. This is a way of finding a product that you can't actually find through searching or the all categories tab. Maybe it doesn't exist right now, so you want to actually post the job that you're after, right? So let's say we jump into here, a little introduction of what to expect from the RFQ page, and then we'll pop on to post your RFQs, and you'll see this page come up. Now, with this page, you'll enter in the product name, a bit more of the information and description of the product, which category it is, what sort of order quantity you're looking at, how many products you're looking at purchasing, the unit price that you are after, that you are targeting, which country you're purchasing this from, and finally, you can upload some PDFs or some photos to describe this more in further detail. And then once you submit that, it will go on to our panel. We will check if it's a good job, if there's any problems with the listing, and if there's no problems, we'll bring it to live. And once that comes in here, suppliers will be able to go and see all the jobs from different parts of the world that are coming in that they can potentially scoop up. So that's a nice little way to find products on the platform. Obviously, we've added a little bit of the most popular categories into this section as well. I'm probably going to change these photos. These were just temporary. I'm probably going to work on this hero photo section over here as well. But then we've put on here popular categories. What categories do we think that the Turkish manufacturing industry excels in and consumers overseas are looking for most from Turkey? So we'll put the popular categories. We'll also put some trending products. Obviously, this will keep developing as we get more data, and we'll be able to put more accurately trending products on there, as well as the top selling products as well. And then we made a bit of a knowledge center. So somewhere where you can go to find out more information about how the platform works. You've got your frequently asked questions. You've got maybe your tips and tricks to, come up with new ways of selling or buying on this platform. You got your payment methods, and we're going to keep building onto this over here as well. So this knowledge center will be continuously developed, and will help people find exactly what they're searching for in a much easier way, especially if they're searching on Google. And then we've got a footer menu over here. I'm not going to go through everything of the footer menu, but here's where you can maybe find some pricing information about the platform, about creating an account with TheKaynak. You can potentially, delve more into the blog section and see more information about TheKaynak as well. So that's a nice little footer section that we've got there. Now, I'm going to sign out, because if I sign out, you'll see that a live chat option comes here, and this is going to be important for the next step that I'm going to show right now. So let's go pick a product, whatever it is. Let's go pick this product. Okay. So firstly, you'll find as soon as you enter this page, it's the product page. You'll find a few key information. You'll find features of this, or variants of features of this product that suppliers can input themselves in their own panel, which is what I'm going to show in another video. You'll find the title over here, which is very important because a lot of people are going to be searching based on that title. You'll find a bit more information, such as the lead time, how long it will take to make X amount of pieces, and what are the quantity amounts needed to customize the product a little bit further. Obviously, you'll find photos. You can enter the photos just like this, all right? They can upload whatever photos they like in there. Of course, we expect them to add the features in here just like this to get a bit more attraction from buyers overseas. You will see products that are in the similar category or subcategory of this product as well that will pop up here. And obviously, this will be further developed with more analytics and data. And then you can send a message over here if you'd like, oh, I'm interested in purchasing blah, blah, blah. And you can write more information about this. Or you can do it from the live chat options. Some suppliers might be online, so you can definitely just jump in and write a message from there. Obviously, you need to log in to this to use this function, and you need to log in specifically as a buyer to use this function, because buyers can use the live chat. However, sellers will need to use a messaging platform that's inbuilt into their panel. As you scroll down, you'll find the product details. This is where suppliers can upload more photos of their product if they didn't have, because there's a maximum cap, I think, of 5 here. So if they want to add even more photos, they can add it over here. We haven't put a text box right now. I think we're doing all the description with photos. And then you can go into the company profile and put actual photos of your business. So here we've just put some stock images, but here's a place where you can put photos of your factory, of your capacity, of your production. You can upload some more certificates. So you might have a, ISO 9001 certificate, and you can upload that over here. And then you can describe more information about your business, and it will pop right over here. You can also delve straight into the supplier's page as well. So this is their sort of mini site, their virtual page. You can pop into here and see all of the products that they have listed in there and more information about the company. So that's a nice little mini site that we help them create. And of course, this will be further developed as we go. But this is what it's looking like right now. Here we've got the live exchange rate to the dollar, because everything is indexed to the dollar. When you're selling products, it's all indexed to the dollar. So this will automatically pop up the live rate every single day. And this will be pulled up from your IP address. So if you log in from Holland, you'll have a Dutch flag over here, and it will pop up your location from your IP address directly. We will translate the website into multiple languages as well. So that's an extra little function that we're going to add into the platform as well. So in a nutshell, this is a little bit of TheKaynak's website panel and what it looks like. There's a lot that goes into it. There's a lot of work that goes into it. But this is what it looks like on the outside. And yeah, I don't know if there's anything else that I want to show from this panel on this side over here. Of course, we've got like the help center. We've created and favicons for all of our social media platforms that you can jump into right now. So I think as we build onto this platform, it will develop even better, especially when data starts coming in, which is more suppliers onboarding. We'll be able to definitely work more onto this product as well. So I just quickly wanted to run through the website panel. I think we'll run through most things right now. In the next video that I'll be creating, I'm going to specifically run through the sellers panel, and then I'll be running through the buyers panel, so you can really see the power of what suppliers have and buyers have when it comes to actually making this exchange of business between one another. So I'll present that next time, but for now, that's it. Let me know what you think.